setting the correct language for your BIBO bar. The default language setting is English, but you're able to change the operating language of your BIBO bar. Select the menu button on your BIBO bar screen and navigate to the language setting by touching the red cup button 6 times. Note that the setting you're on is the one highlighted in bronze in the center of your screen. Touch the menu button again to navigate into the language settings, which offers 3 options. Choose your preferred language by using the red cup button. To save this setting, press the menu button. To go back to the home screen, press the return button twice. We hope this video has helped and it's no longer gibberish to you. BIBO, changing your water consumption forever.